What the f do you call this? That's me in court, right? In jail. See, this is what. Here's the garbage of what you're trying to tell me right now. The funny part is nobody told me once that these things were live streamed on YouTube. I already knew that.
Okay, guys, the so-called sovereign citizen totally lost control in court recently. He's now in trouble for trespassing and skipping his hearing. Honestly, I feel bad for his lawyer because this man was acting completely out of line, talking back, mocking the judge, and behaving like he ran the courtroom. He's the perfect example of someone who thinks laws don't apply to him. The way he talks, you can tell he truly believes he's smarter than everyone else. But reality check, the court doesn't play that game. You can just sense that things are about to go downhill fast. This whole situation is a mess, and trust me, you'll want to see what happens next. Let's jump in.
No.
Parcel?
No. Mr. Christopher.
Fisher. Okay.
They're on the calendar, isn't it?
Understood. Mr. Husney, I'm sorry, Mr. Christopher, Mr. Husney.
Why would I do that?
I should get your contact information.
I'm not interested in being in contact with you.
Oh, okay. Well,
Nor do you represent me. I'm gonna make that very clear right now.
understood. Just to,
And then don't speak when the case is called.
I'll leave that to you. As far as the county is concerned, I've been appointed to represent you.
For what?
In the criminal trespass and obstruction charge.
Oh, because that's the first time that's ever been mentioned in open court
Okay.
with me present.
Okay, that should have been made. You should have been made aware. Well, I guess.
Yeah, there should have been like an arraignment.
Well, that's pending. There's another procedure that's been started that we need to get through first. If you want to step out, we can talk about it.
No, thank you.
We don't have to. So that's kind of where we're at today.
Yeah, I know where we're at today. I've
Understood.
been doing this almost 500 days, man.
Understood. I guess part of the reason I like to contact you is because you get through this next phase. You both get there.
It's not going to happen. That's the whole point of this. That's why it's taken so long. You guys did it 1077 without me present, without me even being heard.
Sure.
Okay, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a procedure that doesn't require your presence.
It's okay, I'll be back with it.
Now, whether you agree with it or not, I understand, but that's the situation. And that situation. in order to-
Here's a little reminder of like what a court can do and cannot do.
Well, according to Washington state law currently, the court's able to do this without.
Oh, really?
And in order to get past this step, I need to be able to coordinate with the people that are gonna talk to you and yourself so that we can get that set up to do it. If you want to move on, then we have to get through that step. I understand that you maybe don't want to or agree with it.
See, this is what, here's the garbage of what you're trying to tell me right now. Literally 1 year, 3 weeks, and 1 day ago, when I was in courtroom 3 with Samuel Meyer, he's the one who actually gave anything substantive in this case to me, as far as information is concerned.
Well, if
And
you
what
want to talk
he
to it,
said,
how are we supposed to
hold
do it?
on. What he said was at any time, the 1077 can be withdrawn.
Well, I can't withdraw it if you won't talk to me.
I've talked to everybody. Why would I continue talking to you guys?
I think he meant to say withdrew, not withdraw. Classic mistake from these guys. They throw around big legal words they don't even understand, like they just watched a random YouTube law video. And from the way he's arguing with his lawyer, I bet he's about to lose this case in the worst possible way. You can almost see his brain overheating while he talks. Meanwhile, his lawyer looks completely done, like he's mentally packing his stuff and planning to quit right after this hearing. I just can't wait for the judge to walk back in and destroy all this nonsense with a few calm sentences.
Really clear. Samuel Meyer has everything that he needs from me. And here's the biggest problem. Tell me what the 1077 is about. Is it about allegedly I didn't want to go to court or I didn't want to talk to anybody? What the f do you call this? That's me in court, right, in jail.
Well, I understand your position on that, just like being new to the case, I'm not privy to that.
Well, now you're hearing it.
So I've basically got two options here. I mean, either I can give you the, well, I could give, if you'll provide me with your contact information, I can give that to
You guys already have it? Nobody's giving me a letter, nobody's giving nothing?
Okay, but I've seen like situations where you've refused to receive the mail.
Who said that I refused to receive mail?
That's just my-
Mr. White, I just want to remind you that this is not confidential. Everybody can hear this. I just want to remind you. Okay.
And that's, I asked him if he wanted to step out and talk and, at any rate, if nothing else, I can facilitate communication between you and the people that are supposed to do that. But I don't have to necessarily do anything else, but we have to get past that phase in order to move forward on your case.
I want it withdrawn and I want to proceed on my own without an attorney.
Okay, well, then you and I will have to talk because I'm the one who has to.
So let's see here. Let's name all the alleged attorneys that have been part of this case that I have spoken to personally. We got Stillwell, we got Kale, we got Lesh.
Okay, and again, I'm not privy to that. I don't have any of that information.
Mhm.
And if you want me to request to withdraw that, then I need to talk to you about it. And if you don't want to talk to me, then I don't really have a choice.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I'm just gonna ask that volume and behavior is acceptable at what court has going on.
Okay.
At some time, if you become disruptive, we're gonna have to ask you to leave. So
I get it.
I'd like you to be as efficient as you can. and
I
get as
get
much
it.
done as
Trust me, I
possible.
don't want you dragging me away when I
No,
got
nobody
cane
drag
mask.
you away,
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna
Once the
hurt.
judge is in here, he might ask.
No,
you.
no. Me and Paul, we know each other.
Okay. all
I've
right.
been doing this a really long time with him. That's,
All right.
you know,
I'm just checking in on. just letting
okay.
you
No,
know.
I appreciate you, man. I appreciate
Thanks, sir. I appreciate your appropriate behavior as well.
Okay, no. Absolutely, I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
So basically, she said, if you want me to request to withdraw the request, then I have to really talk to them. Find out what the reason the request was submitted for, and then the decision based on that. Now, when you represent yourself, it's not necessarily grounds for that request, but yeah, I don't know what was requested.
Neither do I. I just hear alleged.
And that's what I'm saying, like, unless we talk, I don't have the information I need to move forward.
For the record, Isaac, me, him. That's a hearing.
No, I
Okay,
understand.
but it's not on the record. It happened November 13th. It's not on the record.
Have you submitted any public records requests for the audio of the hearings?
I already have them, man.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. The funny part is nobody told me once that these things were live streamed on YouTube. I already knew that. I've captured all of them.
Well,
Every single hearing I've captured from YouTube.
so that's one of the things that we should probably talk about outside of court. So again, offering to step out and speak with you if you want. Or even just step back into the back corner and speak, but we'll lower the volume sound.
I'm good. Okay. Everything that you want to have a conversation with me about can.
Now get this. The guy is saying every lawyer who's ever tried to help him is part of some secret plan to take him down. Like, dude, no one's plotting against you. You're just making your own problems worse. He's got that the whole system is corrupt mindset, always blaming others for his mistakes. Typical sovereign citizen behavior. They mess up, then cry that the world's unfair. Honestly, these people need serious help. They live in their own world where nothing's their fault. I wouldn't be surprised if he said gravity was fake too. Anyway, the court is just trying to figure out if he's even mentally fit to represent himself. The judge explains that until they're sure he's competent, he can't act as his own lawyer. But this guy keeps interrupting, arguing, and pretending he knows more than everyone else. The judge stays patient, sets a mental evaluation, and schedules another court date. And honestly, if he ever gets to represent himself, it's going to be a complete disaster. Sovereign citizens like him think they can outsmart judges with random internet law facts, but all they do is embarrass themselves. This one's going to end badly, no doubt, but I'll be keeping an eye on it, because this meltdown is far from over.